Hey guys, Carl here. Right now we're heading towards somewhere to get some tasty treats, and we wanted to kick off our new cooking series, Hawaiian at Home. We're basically going to be teaching you guys how to make your favorite Hawaiian plate lunches. Now there's a lot of components that go into a really good plate lunch, and one of those things is mac salad, and that's what we're going out and trying to get right now. There are a number of big chains here in the Bay Area. We're gonna hit up Ono Hawaiian, we're gonna hit up L&L, and also like a local market, like Japanese Hawaiian market, that sells actually really good Hawaiian food. And then stay tuned for after, because we will be showing you how I like to make my mac salad, and I honestly have never made it for Adrian before, so this should be good. Alright guys, let's go!
Before we get started on making our own mac salad, we wanted to do a little research. So we've picked up mac salad from 3 of the more popular spots here in the Bay Area. We have a more traditional like Japanese Hawaiian supermarket, Takahashi. Then we have L&L and Ono. So we're gonna give them all a try at the same time and kind of see what we like about each of them and maybe what we want in our own mac salad. So let's get started. I'll just do the honors because I'm ready.
Okay, so this one's pretty much just mayo and mac.
At least the noodles are not mushy though.
I don't know, all I taste is mayo.
Very heavy.
This is not my cup of tea. No. So anyway, oh no.
Mostly.
No. So the next one we have is from L&L. Let's see this thing. So,
there's less
other
mayo
things,
on this.
there's definitely less mayo,
visually.
so that's nice. The carrots are shredded a little finer. The mayo flavor is not as like in your face as the Ono one, and this one, I don't know, there's definitely, they actually added things to the mayo to flavor it.
This one also has onions in it, but I think they're smaller pieces, so it's not as spicy. And then you do taste like, I don't know if it's like just soy sauce or salt, but the mayo has more depth, so.
Levels, Holmes. You gotta build them levels when you cook.
Just like hula levels.
Alright, next one. Yeah. So the next one we have is from Takahashi Market. And I'm a little excited about this because it comes from like a very local market or like grocery store.
It's a supermarket, but it's mostly everyone goes there for the plate lunches. It's like your typical Japanese Hawaiian spot, which is pretty common in San Mateo. So this is one of their most popular places, and it looks a lot more promising.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, it's much thicker.
Oh, celery? No.
I don't know. Take a bite. That's probably the closest.
And sweet.
Yeah. That's probably the closest to like.
I'm not done.
Like. Pretty good like Hawaiian mac salad. So we tasted 3 different mac salads from around the Bay, and I have my recipe that I'm going to share with you all that I learned when I was living in Kauai. What are some of the things that you want in your ideal mac salad?
That's a good question. I think it's balancing the flavors so that you can eat more of it. I think something on the lighter side. I really liked having the textures of like the celery or the pickle, maybe something like sweet. Other than that, I'm not picky.
Okay, this one's gonna be an easy one. All you're gonna need are some potatoes, mac, mayo, celery, carrots, onions, Dijon mustard, sugar, pickled relish, peas, salt, and white pepper. Now with every dish, you want to get your mise en place ready, and that's cutting everything into a small dice, with the potatoes being about a medium dice. Now the first thing we're going to do is cook off 1 cup of potatoes and 1.5 cup of mac. Now the potatoes can have a bit of a bite, but the mac, let's just leave the al dente stuff to the Italians and go ahead and cook that pretty good. For the dressing, we're going to put half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 3 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl and mix it up really well. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of pickled relish, a 1/4 cup of celery, a 1/4 cup of carrots, and an 1/8 cup of onions. And you're going to get it all nice and mixy. Finally, you're going to add an 1/8 cup of peas, all your potatoes, all your mac, and then you're going to mix it up real good. Salt, white pepper, taste it. If you want more mayo, go ahead and add it. If you want more veggies, add it. And if you really like it, do a little dance. And go ahead and plate it on top of nice shredded cabbage. Use an ice cream scooper to plop it right on top. And that's mac salad my way. I hope you guys like it. Give us a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.